Yes, I've made so many connections. I have a lot of connections. It might not be a lot of people. My network might not be as large as some others, not comparing, but I've made a lot of connections. How do you connect? What are connections, right? What are connections? Are they commitments? Are they to be upheld? Are they entanglements? No, no. Connections are not any of those things. A connection occurs between people when they feel free enough to be their authentic selves without being judged. That is all a connection is. We can connect on certain things because you know that I won't judge you. We can connect as people because there's no judgment. Feel free to be yourself. Okay? Silly, goofy, loud, strong, what some people may consider too much, what some people may consider too little, too small, too timid, too quiet. Uh, we're all people. So there's no judgment. And me being my authentic self allows other people to connect with me because I have a lot of energy. I do a lot of things. I don't think like the regular person. And I love that about myself. But nobody does. Nobody does. We just try to fit in so much and go by society's standards that we lose our sense of self or we're not our authentic selves in front of others. So when I show you my authentic self, that allows you to be your authentic self, and there's a connection made. We can talk about things. I can learn from you. I'm willing and hopefully I'm going to learn from you. Just by you being yourself, I'll get something from that. So a connection can be made in certain areas. We can connect over, similarities of interest like shoes, fragrance, purpose, work, business, art, music. We can connect over anything. We can have a connection in any type of area. But I want to expand it because connections don't have to just be between two people. Connections can be made through the group. You think about the speaker who's speaking to an audience. Hello. You think about the speaker who's speaking to an audience. He's connecting with that audience if that message is being delivered and people are able to absorb it, then they're connecting to what this guy is saying. It doesn't have to be limited between two people. Connections can be made through groups. It can be made through diversity. It can be made between two people, singular. And you definitely have to make a connection with yourself. You have to connect with yourself and you have to connect with your spirit. Now, a myth about a connection. Most people that see other people who have connections, they think that they want each other. They want one another. You don't have to put a title on a connection. You don't have to be together or with someone or going with someone for a connection to be made. You should be connected with those you are entertaining as a relationship, but you don't have to be in a relationship to have a connection. But you don't have to be in a relationship to have a connection. That is a falsehood. You can be connected with somebody without it being, where do we go from here? Or let's do more. A connection doesn't mean lust. A connection doesn't mean love. Because I connect with the guys, we can connect over the same thing, music, whatever. And that doesn't mean I want them. That doesn't mean I need to stay around them. So take that away from the connection. You don't have to want somebody to have a connection with them. You don't even have to be around them. Connections are made by being present, by not judging. Stop judging people. And by actually listening or paying attention to. So you have to pay attention to yourself and not judge yourself in order to gain a connection with yourself. Hello? You have to actually pay attention to other people if you want to connect with them. And you have to stop judging other people for who they are and accept them for who they are. This is how you build connections, guys. Allow them to be themselves, genuinely, and don't judge them for it.